Hi, welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you get. So keep watching and let's start. Get is a main verb. We can use get in three different ways. We can use get as a linking verb, we can use get as a transitive verb, and we can use get as a causative verb. We will study them one by one. Number one, linking verb. Here we will use get as a linking verb. Now, after get, if you see an adjective or the third form of a verb, which is also called the past participle form of a verb, get will function as a linking verb. And here, get means become. It means that you can also use the verb become instead of get. They have the same meaning. These two structures show a change in the state. They show a change in the state of the subject. Now, remember one thing. When you see third form of a verb after get, it has a passive meaning. Now, what is a linking verb? Linking verb connects the complement with the subject. So, let's have examples. These are the examples. Example number one, he got angry. Angry is an adjective. Angry talks about the subject. Who got angry? He, the subject. Here, got functions as a linking verb. She will get married next week. Now, married is a third form of a verb. It has a passive meaning. Who will get married? The subject, she. I sometimes get depressed. Now, depressed is third form of the verb. It talks about the subject. Who gets depressed? The subject, I. The weather gets hot during the day. Now, what gets hot during the day? The weather. So, hot modifies the weather. In all these examples, get is a linking verb because it links the complement with the subject. Number two, as a transitive verb, when you see a noun or a gerund after get functions as a transitive verb and it has several meanings depending on the noun. Now, get means buy when there is a noun. Get means obtain when there is a noun. Get means receive when there is a noun. Get means understand when there is a noun. Get means to start when there is a gerund. Get means to reach when there is a noun of place. Let's have examples. Here are the examples. We got going to London on Monday. Here, got is followed by a gerund, verb ing form. So, here got means to start. We started going to London on Monday. She got 860 marks out of 1100. Here, got means to obtain. She obtained. He did not get the letter. It means that he did not receive the letter. Nobody gets me. Nobody gets me means nobody understands my feeling. And the last example, I get home by 9 p.m. It means that I reach home by 9 p.m. As a causative verb, now we are going to use the verb get as a causative verb. We have 5 causative verbs, but today we are going to study one of them, get. We will study all of them again in another video. The structure is subject plus get plus object plus 2 plus verb 1, which is also called infinitive, plus rest of the sentence. As a causative verb, get means to persuade, to convince, to encourage. Here, the subject will persuade the object to perform this activity. Let's have examples. Here are the examples. She got her son to fix the fan. It means that she persuaded, convinced her son to fix the fan. Now, who fixed the fan? Her son. How? She persuaded him. She convinced him to fix the fan. Another example, teachers get students to study. Teachers motivate students to study. Who studies? The students. The last example, I cannot get him to fetch my mobile. Now, who will fetch my mobile? He. But I cannot persuade him. I cannot convince him to bring my mobile. The last point, after get, if you see an infinitive, here get means to have an opportunity. Here are the examples. After doing my assignment, I get to play games. It means that I have the opportunity to play games. I don't have the opportunity to play games before doing my assignment. I have it after doing my assignment. She tried but did not get to see him. She tried hard to see him, but she didn't have the opportunity to see him. Let's study the forms of get in American English and in British English. In American English, we have get, got, gotten, getting, gets. While in British English, we have get, got, getting, gets. The only difference is in the third form as a past participle form. In American, we have gotten, while in British, we have got. Thank you.